Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a video with text in a Telegram chat on your PC using the latest update. It's an easy process that helps you personalize your messages by adding captions to your videos before sending them. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and ready to chat. Next, open the conversation or chat where you want to send your video. This could be an individual or a group chat. Just click to open it. Once you're inside the chat, look for the attachment icon. This usually looks like a paperclip or a small plus sign near the message input box. Click on it and a menu will appear with options to attach different types of media. Choose photos and videos from this list. Now, browse through your files and select the video you want to send. After selecting it, click Open to attach the video to your message. Right beneath the attached video, you will see a caption bar. This is where you can type the text you want to include along with your video. Add your custom message or description here. Finally, after writing your text, click the Send button to share the video along with your caption in the chat. And that's it. Your video, together with your personalized text, will appear right in the conversation for everyone to see. Sending videos with text on Telegram's PC app is a simple way to enhance your communications and make your messages more engaging. Whether you're sharing a fun clip, important information, or a personal moment, adding a caption can help you express yourself better. Try it out today and enjoy sending videos that speak louder with words attached. Thanks for watching.